y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. Today we're reviewing this beautiful hair sent to me by Yolissa Hair. And this is a highlight wig. It is 180 density with a 13x4 frontal and it is 22 inches. This wig is 100% human hair, and I just want to say, before I even put this wig on and installed it, this is what it looked like fresh out of the package. They sent it with these beautiful curls, so this is just me running my fingers through, testing out the quality. And let me just tell you, the quality was bomb, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and get into construction. Like I said, it was a 13x4 frontal, and there were 3 combs attached inside of the wig, and here are just some of the free gifts that they sent as well. So again, we just want to get a feel for the quality, so I'm just showing you guys the lace up front. And I did end up washing, conditioning, plucking, and also bleaching the knots on this wig. They weren't necessary steps because the lace actually looked pretty good fresh out of the bag, but I just like my wigs to look as natural as possible, so I did go ahead and do that off camera. And now we can begin installing. So I did ask them to send me a large cap size because I like to get a large cap size because your girl has a big head. Honestly, you could always take a large size down, but you can't make a small size big. So sometimes the mediums, they just don't be cutting it for your girl. So that was just me cutting the ear tab, sizing it to my head, and then I'm also pre-cutting the lace just so it's easier to glue down. So for the install, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taking some Got2b and putting it around the perimeter of the front of my head like I would do with normal wig glue, but I wasn't planning on keeping this wig in long, so I just used some Got2b, stuck it down, and this is just a quick alternative. So you can also see me taking a comb, pressing down the lace into my skin just so it melts better, and then I'm going to take that elastic band that they sent to make sure everything is melted down. So this is what the lace was looking like as soon as I took off the elastic band. I do want to say that the lace quality was very, very nice. It did melt into my skin pretty well. It just needed a few touch-ups, but it wasn't anything too crazy, nothing I couldn't fix. So I will say that this wig is very beginner friendly. If you are a beginner and you would like to try this wig, I think it should be very easy to melt. So we're just going to go ahead and get into styling. I just did a deep side part, and I'm also going in with my wax stick and my hot comb, just making sure everything lays nice and flat. And then I'm also going to flat iron, and then we're going to add some curls. How silky the hair is. It was super soft even before shampooing and conditioning, and then after shampooing and conditioning it really just softened up even more. So this hair is very good quality. It's definitely 100% human hair, as I stated earlier. I know some companies, they'll say 100% human hair and then it's a blend, and then you're like, why is this tangling up? Why does it feel synthetic? Because it is, but this one is not synthetic. It's not a blend. It's 100% human hair. The hair did not tangle. It only shed a little bit, and I think that's because of the blonde. You know that when you have 613 hair, it's normal for it to shed, but it wasn't anything too crazy. So the hair was very good quality. It was nice and soft. Like I said, it didn't tangle or anything. So I definitely want to shout out this company for sending me this wig because this is really a bomb wig. So shout out to Yolissa Hair for real, because they really came in clutch. Like, I just really fell in love with this wig. I was a little skeptical about the blonde because it being winter and everything, but I realized, you know, spring break's right around the corner, so I feel like this would be like the perfect spring break hair, or even if you want to get it a little early, you know, save it for summer. But I definitely think that y'all should try this wig. I think the highlights on this wig are so beautiful. This was actually my first time trying highlights on a straight wig. I actually had a wig almost this exact color, but it was like a really like kinky curly type of wig. So seeing it on straight hair definitely makes a difference. So like I said, I really just fell in love with this wig. Like I was like, these highlights are really so beautiful, and I'm not just saying that. So yeah, we're just gonna keep straightening this wig out, and then like I said, we're gonna add some curls later and really pull this look all together.
Distanced yourself from the whole thing.
So this is the final look, you guys. I really fell in love with this hair. Like, I just cannot stress that enough. And like I said, I'm not just saying that. They're not paying me to say this. I really, really, truly love this wig. I feel like the quality is so nice. And if you guys enjoyed this hair as much as I did, definitely make sure to check it out in the description down below. Thank you again to Yolissa Hair Company for sending me this wig, and thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.